Hello students, welcome to Satya's Mathematics. In the video, we will chapter 2 complex numbers, exercise 2.3, sum number 3. If z1 is equal to 2 plus 5i and z2 is equal to minus 3 minus 4i and z3 is equal to 1 plus I, find the additive and multiplicative inverse of z1, z2, z3. This is the question. Additive inverse is positive or negative or positive. That is nothing but additive inverse. And multiplicative inverse of z1 is given by 1 by z1, division. Multiplicative inverse of z1 is given by 1 by z1 and z2 is given by 1 by z2 and z3 is given by 1 by z3. First we will find out additive inverse. Additive inverse of z1 is equal to minus z1. So minus z1 is given by minus of 2 plus 5i. So that is equal to minus 2 minus 5i. This is minus z1. And similarly, additive inverse of z2 is given by minus z2. So minus z2 is equal to minus of minus 3 minus 4i. Minus multiply பண்ணும்போது minus 3 becomes plus 3 and minus 4i becomes plus 4i. This is minus z2. And similarly, additive inverse of z3 is minus z3. Minus z3 is equal to minus 1 plus I, that is minus 1 minus I. This is minus z3. Multiplicative inverse of z1 is given by 1 by z1. 1 by z1 na 1 by z1 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 5. But denominator la eppume complex number irukakudadu, that is not a standard form. So when any complex number is in denominator, we should multiply and divide by the conjugate of the complex number. So conjugate na enna? Conjugate is nothing but changing the sign of imaginary part alone. So multiply and divide by the conjugate of 2 plus 5i. Conjugate of 2 plus 5i is 2 minus 5i. Just we should change the sign of imaginary part alone. So 1 into 2 minus 5i is 2 minus 5i. And denominator pathina, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. இதுவே complex number இருந்தா x plus iy into x minus iy ன்னு போடும்போது x square minus iy square ன்னு போடுவோம். So that is I square y square. I square க்கு minus 1 போட்டா minus into minus plus ஆயிரும். So இதை நீங்க மைண்ட்ல வச்சுக்கோங்க. 2 plus 5i into 2 minus 5i become 2 square plus 5 square. 2 square is 4 plus 5 square is 25. So 25 plus 4 is 29. So இதை நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 1 by 29 into 2 minus 5i. This is the multiplicative inverse of the complex number z1. So இதே மாதிரி multiplicative inverse of z2 is given by 1 by z2. So 1 by z2 is equal to 1 by minus 3 minus 4i. Conjugate of this is minus 3 plus 4i. So minus 3 plus 4i. Just we should change the sign of imaginary part alone. So minus 3 plus 4i. This we can write it as a square plus b square. A square is 3 square, that is 9. B square is 4 square, 16. So a square plus b square is 9 plus 16. So it is 25. So 1 by 25 into minus 3 plus 4i. This is the multiplicative inverse of Z2. Similarly, multiplicative inverse of Z3 is equal to 1 by Z3. So 1 by Z3 is given by 1 by 1 plus I. So the conjugate of 1 plus I is 1 minus I. So multiply and divide by 1 minus I. 1 minus I by 1 minus I. So that we can write it as 1 minus I divided by a square plus b square. A square is 1 square, that is 1. B square also 1 square, that is 1. So it is 1 by 2 into 1 minus I. This is the multiplicative inverse of Z3.